The MCAP, Mechanical Casing Packer System, improves annular seal integrity and overcomes the shortcomings of cementing technology. Installing MCAP in combination with the Cflex gives operators flexibility, reliability, and far greater confidence in cementing operations. In the application illustrated, the Cflex Mark IIF has already been activated and cemented above. MCAP activation tool and Cflex cementing tool are run in-hole. MCAP activation tool is run in-hole to below the Cflex and latched into the MCAP. Pickup weight is applied in order to set the MCAP slips an element. V0 qualified annulus barrier is established. Running further in-hole will latch the cementing tool into the Cflex. Setting down weight will open the Cflex and allow for cement operation to take place. Cement is placed in annulus above the MCAP. Pickup weight and pressure is applied to close and then permanently close the Cflex. MCAP activation tool and Cflex cementing tool are pulled out of hole. The MCAP has been set and cemented above, and a certified gas-tight barrier is established. The MCAP performs to the highest integrity standards. For more information about the MCAP, please visit our website archerwell.com/MCAP.